So it's Sunday, March the 3rd, 2024, and we're just pulling out. We're in Fort Lauderdale. All aboard! In the first week, we go to Jamaica, Cayman Islands, and Mexico. Our first sea day starts off with a brilliant sunrise. So it's a relaxing day, and Mom had a chance to read her book. So here we are in Jamaica, and we're getting ready to board our buses. So right beside us is a bauxite terminal, or a massive storage shed.
Check out this tractor ball.
That was used in
counterweights in the front.
one of the James Bond movies.
Yeah. What do you think? A patched up wiring harness.
So that's our guide and driver. And the top of the mountain.
Added to this was butter, garlic, onions, scallions, tomatoes, thyme. And now we're adding the shrimp, guys. Right, you guys can have a seat. Thank you.
So how long do you cook that for?
Roughly about 3 minutes, 4 minutes.
3 minutes?
You're gonna add all the jerk seasoning. I'm just messing around.
He would, that's the problem. Please don't, John.
No, don't add too much.
Two heapings. I'll let that saute for about roughly 3 to 4 minutes. Then I add coconut milk to let that boil, reduce the cream sauce, alright? You guys can have a seat.
Thank you. So 15 minutes on the side. It looks like some of the sides have been left there too long, particularly in the middle. I think that one there looks a little bit black. So okay, and use something called pimento wood.
After the meal, we were invited to tour the grounds. So a favorite was take a picture by the tree planted by Winston Churchill in 1953. Beautiful view of the Caribbean Sea. And and then we were invited to jump on a transport and go back down the hill. Down the hill and ended up back at our bauxite storage facility to board our ship.
Where does it say that?
Ship cards up, please. Please hold the fan above your heads. Alrighty, guys. This is my least favorite part of the tour. Time to say goodbye to everybody. All my children. See you guys tomorrow.
Thank you.
Did you have a good day, guys?
Let me take a picture. Quick.
Did you have a good day, guys?
Yeah.
All right. On behalf of myself and Troy and Dolphin Co., thank you for choosing our excursion. We appreciate you. please enjoy the rest of your vacation and get back home safely. All right? And before you go, please check your seats. What is left in Jamaica? Stays in Jamaica. We don't know where you live, so please check your seats before you go. And if you had a good time, you want to leave a tip, we appreciate it. But please remember to check those seats. All right?
Okay. What is this? Water? Oh, I don't want to use video.
I'm going to put it on YouTube. Label it for you.
I'm wanted by the FBI.
That was a relaxing, fun, and enjoyable excursion by Holland America. Well done. We thoroughly enjoyed it. And we'll come again.